So I've gone and splurged on another 3-car purchase. So but quite yes, this one needs an MOT and it needs drop links, and that should be that with that one, and she's good to go. Hello everyone, so I thought I'd give you a quick update on my 3-car haul. So the green Yaris, it's fine, it's ready to go. I just got to go advertise it. The Lexus, it's past its MOT. The exhaust needed welding, so that's been done, but I've taken it into the auto electrician now to get the touchscreen sorted out. So that'll be another week or so before that's ready. So the only one that's ready out of the 3 is the Yaris. There you go, surprise surprise. And then finally we have this lovely Honda Civic. So the Civic's passed its MOT, no problems whatsoever. Unfortunately it does drive really good, but unfortunately I've noticed something here on the, that's why I got the bonnet open. So there's nothing wrong with the engine, the gearbox, all good, but look, there's coolant leakage somewhere, and at first I thought maybe it's old, but as you can see it's a bit of wetness there. I don't know if you can, I can get the focus just there. It's a little bit wet as well, so it looks like there's a slight slow seepage because it's not overheating. There's no warning signs whatsoever on the vehicle, but I'm not taking a chance. Not going to send this car out like this. So that's going back to the garage to get fixed. So it's most likely, I'm hoping, if it's the cheapest option here, is that these hose pipes are a bit loose on here and they just need to be rethinked. But what it looks like, I think, is thermostat. So that's no big deal. Nice, cheap, easy fix. And one other thing I'm going to do, I'm going to book it in for oil and filter change, because I can't see when the last service was done. So in terms of the MOT, it did pass, but it did need, as you probably see from my video on the knocking noise that it needed drop links. So it had the drop links done here, both sides, and it looks like the previous owner has had recent engine mounts fitted on there. So looks like it's been well looked after, but just got some minor little tweaks, things that I'd like to get done which I'm not happy about sending out like this. I'll get that done, and it's just cheap fixes. It's one of those things, you got to do these things right. And also what I've done is when I've put the AC on, it blows cold, but the fan doesn't blow as hot, as fast or hard as I would expect it to. So what I've done is I've bought a cabin filter, and while I'm at it, I've got an air filter as well. So when I get the basic oil and filter done, because that doesn't include an air filter, I'm going to have that fitted. Well, I can do that myself, but since I've taken it in for a service, might as well let them get their hands dirty, eh? But anyway, so I've got a good mechanic, he's nice enough, he'll do that for me. But other than that, she's a lovely little driver, this one. I just got to fix that and then she'll be ready. So unfortunately, 5 days in and only the Yaris is ready, and this one, now it's a Saturday, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to wait till Monday to get that fixed. Anything else? Yeah, so this annoying gap on the bonnet, doesn't look like I can do anything about it. What's happened here is that obviously it's been touched. As you can see, the slight cracking on the number plate, it's been touched at some point, and what's happened is they've changed that grille, but that's not the grille for this model. That looks like a Type R type, or the Sport model one, and unfortunately these clips on the bonnet don't align to the clips that are on that one, hence why it's slightly out of line. But it doesn't detract too much from the view, as you can see, and I do quite like this mesh design, so I'll leave it at that. Yeah, so that's about it really. Nothing too major, it's just this annoying little delays, but this just looks like a really nice, well looked after car. A little bit of TLC and she'll be back. Hope that helped. I thought I'd give a little update, and do like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.